Hello guys and welcome to City Racing 3D. I got the Bumblebee. It's a good car, but I managed to buy this beautiful Air 8. So I am not going to use Bumblebee anymore. So the two car what I use this TT. I use the 911 GT. I get the Bumblebee. He can go with 268. I didn't buy this. I think I am not gonna to buy it. But this beautiful can go with 283 kilometer per hour. So it's a beautiful baby. Waiting to kill the road. So let's go. I unlock a new. I don't know what is Galled stage. It's Galled Elite, but I'm going to go with the Amateur. There is a elimination. I don't have a type car. Where's the elimination? I have here. Well, whatever. Let's go with the time trial Chicago. Whoo! It's pretty damn time to go. Yes, I am alone. Alone in the road. We'll go with the nitro. To speed up. There's a bus, autobus. There is no enemy car, so it's safe drive. The U-wheel drought. It's unbelievable. Let's pick up nitro. No. Dangerous pass. Pass. Wait, do you? No, bad car. Don't do that with daddy. No, what are you doing? Are you crazy? Let's pick up the final nitro and... Yeah! That's baby, I love the sound of your nitro. I think I'm gonna to make it to time. Yes, I'm gonna get 3 star for it. Fuck you. Let's fly. Wonderful flying. And let's just hit the brake here. Race over. It wasn't a race, there was just me. How many money are you gonna get? Nice. I don't want to go to whip. Let's see what we get here. 1-1 Tokyo. Classic Tokyo. I hate you. Okay, let's go then. Didn't want to go with this, but Bumblebee can be faster than me. I am the fastest car. I hate to play in Tokyo because the lights and the signs and everything in this fucking stage is like, it's just shit. And I always hit that fuck. Okay, I think I'm gonna do make it this time. I hope. Nice. I need to go away from him for 300 meters. I'm already past that. So let's just use nitro here to fast up the things. My last video about this game got pretty much views, so I think racing games are popular. I don't really enjoy racing games, but game is game. No, 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 no! Ok, I'm gonna to make it still. It was pretty close to lose the game. I guess I win. Let's fly. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Let's see what I get. I don't want to join. Fuck you. Do you get it? Fuck you. Oh, I got a reward. So, thanks for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe for more. See you guys.